Hey everyone, how are you? In this video, I will tell you how can you install Python version 3.14 in your Windows system. For this, you need to first go to a browser and let's search for Python download. Hit enter. And right now, if I show, I do not have any version of Python installed in my system. If I search for Python or if I just enter the Python command on the terminal, I don't get anything. It basically tries to open the Microsoft Store to try to download the Python version 3.13. We don't need to do this. I will tell you how to install the Python version 3.14, which is the latest version you can see on the Python website. I just went to Google and searched for Python download. Now you need to click on download Python, and now you will see this particular page. Here you can see that the download Python 3.14.0 option is there, and you can see the release date as well. It is 7th of October, which is today's date. Just click on the download Python 3.14 button. It might take like few seconds to download, and you can see the exe file is downloaded. Now click on this file and it will try to install Python version 3.13, not 3.13 but 3.14 on your Windows system. Click on run and now you will see the installer. Make sure that you tick both of these options and then click on install now. Once you click on install now, it will take few minutes or few seconds and it will install Python in your system. So let's wait for the installation to get completed. It is almost done. And yes, you can see that the setup was successful. It means we have installed Python successfully in our Windows system. We can close this now. And now if I go to the terminal and search for Python, so now also I see that this Microsoft Store is opening. That's because I need to restart the terminal. So let me restart the terminal. And now in the terminal, if I try to search for Python, let's do this. Python Python. Now you can see that Python 3.14 is installed and it is asking for a prompt, or it is showing a prompt where we can enter our Python code. For example, print Python installed successfully, right? So we can see Python is installed successfully, Python version 3.14.0. And along with this, you will get two other softwares which Python provides. For example, IDLE. We can see IDLE, which is the integrated development environment provided by Python itself. And the version is 3.14. You can open this, and in this, you can run any of your code. For example, print hello world, right? Hit enter, and now you can see the hello world message is there. It means we have installed Python successfully. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any issues installing Python in your system, then do let me know in the comment box and I will try to tell you the solution for this. For now, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.